Today we will read another story about hills. Meet Beth, Stan, and Dad. They will spend the day in the hills. What will they do? Will they have fun? We will use the new words and skills we learned to read about what these characters do. First, let's play the flashlight game to review our high frequency words. So, when the flashlight shines on a word, read the word out loud. Let's do the first one together. Ready? What is the word? After. Good. Now what is the word? Grow. Before. Into. Say the word when the flashlight shines on it. Does. No. Don't. And wash. Good job, boys and girls. Now, let's break words into all of its sounds. Each tile on the screen stands for a sound in the word. I will say a word and you say each sound in the word. As you say each sound, hold up one finger to count the sounds. Then I will move one tile per sound in the word and you will check that you counted the right sounds. All right, listen as I do one. The word is still. The sounds are s, t, I, u. I am holding up 4 fingers, so I'm going to move 4 tiles. S, t, I, u. How many sounds does the word still have? 4. 4 sounds in the word still. Okay, now you try it. Listen to this word and then say all the sounds, holding up one finger for each sound. Ready? Tone. T. O. How many sounds does tone have? 3. That is correct. What about this word? Stone. O. How many sounds does stone have? 4. Okay, what about cell? S, e, o. How many sounds? 3. Very good. How many sounds does sun have? S, 3. Sun has 3 sounds. And the next word is spin. S, p, I, n. How many sounds does spin have? 4. You should be holding up 4 fingers. Good job. Okay, remember that SH makes the sh sound in shark? Read these words with me. Sh, u, shell. D, I, sh, dish. TH stands for the sound in thermometer. Read these words with me. In, thin, path, path. Now you're ready to read about Beth, Stan, and Dad in a story called Up Hills. You will also read another story about Stan, Beth, and Dad. Mom is with Stan, Beth, and Dad. Mom and Stan are on a sled. They go down the hill. Will they have fun? We will use all the new words and skills we've learned to read about what these characters do. Now let's review what we've learned about consonant blends with the letter S. Look at the first picture and word, stove. The letters S and T form a consonant blend. In a consonant blend, each letter stands for its own sound, but the sounds are said closely together. Listen. Stove, stove. Look at slide. S and L are said very closely together. Slide, slide. What about snail? Snail, snail. Let's review some more blends with S. Look at the first picture and word, spoon. The letters S and P form a consonant blend. Sp. Now say the picture name and the S blend with me. Spoon, sp. Good. And this is swing, sw. Great work, guys. Now let's do some blending. Let's blend some sounds to read some words. Line 1 says sl, I. Now let's slide over to the next letter in line 2. I see one vowel followed by a consonant, so I will use the short vowel sound. Sli, sli. Oh, let's slide over the last letter in line 3. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Sli, Read it with me. Slim. Now you are ready to read sled, slip. And you're going to find out what Stan, Mom, Beth, and Dad do in this story. But first, pause the video and get your journal and a pencil and get ready to practice spelling some words with me. So I will say a word and a sentence that uses that word. Listen carefully and use your best handwriting to write the word I say. Don't wait till the end of the video to write your words because they won't be there this time. We've had enough practice that I want you to just do your very best at writing the sounds you hear and not copying the words. So there won't be another slide to copy the correct spelling. You'll just have to do your very best this time. But I know you're ready. So let's write some words. Number 1, stop. The car will stop at the sign. Stop. Stop. Write all the sounds you hear. Number 2, step. 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 The baby took his first step. Number 3, strap. My bag has a broken strap. 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 Number 4, spit. Please spit out your gum. Spit. 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 Number 5, split. I split a cookie with him. Split. Split. Number 6, slid. They slid down the slide. Slid. Slid. Number 7. This. This is a review word. This. 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 Number 8. Whip. Whip. I whip cream to put on the pie. Whip. Whip. Number 9 is which. Which book is better? Which. 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 And the last word, number 10, is the word that. That book is about tigers. That. 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 Now you're going to take a picture of all of the wonderful words that you wrote and turn it into your teacher. Have a good day. Bye.